What you'll need is, and that is it. Take your pointed cabbage and cut it in two, then in two again. Cut off a little bit of the end, mostly just the dirty part. I forgot to mention I've also removed the two outer leaves that were quite dirty. That leaves you with a nice cabbage. That's about it. Take a pan and put it on a fire. Put it on a medium-high heat and let it get hot. Once the pan is hot, add a little bit of oil. I'm using some peanut oil. You can use whatever oil you like. Take your cabbage and put it down in the pan and just press on it and let it fry for a couple of minutes so it develops a little bit of a char. As you can see, it's starting to develop a nice color. Now just flip it and do the same on the other side. And there you go, they've developed a nice color. Then take a baking sheet covered with baking paper and place your cabbage on there. At this point, it is optional to add some oil. I'm just going to add oil on two, so you can see the difference and decide for yourself. And give it a light seasoning with some salt. Now pop them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on the size of your cabbage. There you go. As you can see, the cabbage has charred up nicely. Here we have the oil side and here we have the non-oil side. As you can see, charring wise, there is no difference. The difference is within the flavor. You can leave it as it is and serve it right away, or you can level it up. In the meanwhile, I made a nice pan sauce in the same pan where I fried the cabbage. I'm going to put a link in the cards for the recipe of the sauce and just baste it a little bit with the sauce. Make sure to get the crevices of the cabbage, and there you go, a super beautiful, easy and fancy looking side dish.